Right, while I was away at Christmas, Lewis, I said he's got to do a week in shine, right? So he's half attempted to do a week in shine here, and this is the first time he's ever done a bit of footage by himself, right? So this is week in shine filmed by Lewis, and I've got nothing to do with it apart from editing it. So enjoy. That's right. And Demo, you ain't got nothing on Lewis. Go on, Lewis. Demo shift it. Woo! Yeah! 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 Oh my God,
Don't know what it looks like. The cat can see up there. So we've had this Hyundai i20 thing. The flexi that's snapped off there sounded like a rally car, so we're just getting a new one welded in there. Right, so it's Wednesday now, and well, I forgot to film for you on Tuesday, but I'll show you what we were doing. We were also having a look at this fine piece of machinery right here. Needs a lambda sensor, but he's the man who owns it spent a load of money on it trying to work out what's actually wrong with it, because he's thrown so many lambda sensors at it. With it being the V6, it's got 4 of them on there, so it's one of them. But we think we've got to the bottom of it. We think it's had universal ones put on before, and they've not been wired up correctly. So we've got another one on the way, and we're going to have a better look at the wiring diagram. We've tried to contact Ford and get a OEM one, but yeah, we don't really want to pay £400 for a lambda sensor. So yeah, we'll have a go on that today as well. We've also got this lovely Minion that a friend of ours has taken good interest in.
Them biscuits. Whoa. Whoa.
And as you can see, I've got the front end off of it just to do an alternator on it, and have a look at why the power steering is well, not power steering anymore. We've got a lovely little pallet here with the engine on for that little Kia there. There's the cam belt that's snapped on it, so we took that one on Part X with another car, Fiesta I think it was. Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can get that in this week, see if we can find some time.
What are you saying?
There you go.
Right, so a little bit of an update to make this video a little bit bigger. We're doing a really wicked Astra van install right now, so we'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek that's going on. Heated seats, all the VXR gubbins. This is going to look the nuts. The back end's welded up on the S2000. What else? What else is going down? What else is going down? Got a bit of bed air going on here. I've got another update on the van coming. I've nearly done a video, so we're tidied up the tailgate. Nice X5. That's it, I think. Video on the GTO is coming soon. We've had a little bit of disaster with the GTO. Whoever worked on it the previous time decided to drop a washer down the inlet manifold, or I can't think what they call it now, the proper terminology for it. They've serviced the plugs, so when you do the plugs you've got to take out the inlet manifold. I can't think what it's called. Resonator. Future Colin, it's a bloody plenum, I don't know, and they've dropped a washer down there and it made its way into the cylinder head. Luckily it's caused no damage, so the head is getting repaired now. But I spoke to the customer about it, and she had some previous work done by a bit of a bodgy person. By the state of the exhaust, it's terrible. It's nearly as terrible as Matt's welding. Right, anyway, let's see what Lewis has to offer in the rest of this video.
Got a new customer in for MOT and service, but she hasn't had a service in about 2 years. So what we're going to do is take that off, put some of this in, just put that in, and then we'll start the car up and let that circulate for a bit, and then drop the oil, won't we, Matt? Matthew Brown. Right, so we're into Thursday now, and we've got a new driver on the job here. What you got on, pal?
It's got nothing to do with you, what we're doing.
What are you doing?
Where's the dad? Has he swaned off on holiday? Oh.
And we're just about to get that little Kia in the garage and maybe put an engine in it.
What's Matt doing over there in that Mini?
We're now in the garage, and I've just taken the battery and the airbox off. So yeah, we'll start getting this stripped down, and
I'll update you when we're a bit closer to having it out.
Right, so that's most of the loom off that we need to get off to remove the engine flexi clamps. Just some drive shafts now and maybe a subframe. Or what do you think?
Not alright, that.
Not alright, that.
Not alright, that.
That's perfect. Right, sorry, I lied. I completely forgot to update you, but it's out the car now and we're just swapping everything over. The air conditioning pump, noisy. Alternator, noisy. Tensioner, noisy on both of them. But we put that cam belt on hoping it would save it, but it didn't. So we're just going to swap that over onto the new engine and put an oil and filter on it and see how it goes. Right, so the engine's now back in. We're just bolting up the gear linkage. It's just on its mounts, and we had to take the subframe out in the end. So yeah, that's all to go back on. Yeah, hopefully it's done today. Matthew's currently hiding.
Start again, Lewis.
That one was good. Round two. Yeah.
You have to sing over the music, Lewis. No, I said sing, Lewis.
That's the extent of my singing right there.
Yeah, sing.
Perfect. The old sump was a bit rusty, as you can see there, so we're just swapping it over with the original sump that was on it, which is in a bit better condition now.
We've run into a bit of an issue here. 2 bolts snapped, so we're currently drilling them out. Hopefully getting it unbolted.
The new old sump is on. Beautiful, beautiful. Less rust than the other one. The other one was really bad. So yeah. Subframe is now in. Rack's all bolted down. Anti-roll bar bolted down. But we just dropped the back end down a bit to get the anti-roll bar on. We just cut it there because the original joint has been, well, I don't even know what's called that. So putting another one of them in there, and then yeah, shafts in, and hopefully it'll start. Will it start?
It's got a chance.
There's a chance. We've unplugged the injectors down there and we've unplugged the coil packs there just to spin it over and get the oil pressure up and make sure it has any at all, with it being a used engine. Go on then, Matt, give it some.
Press plug again, Luke. And again, Luke. Right, plug everything in now, Luke.
In.
Hopefully she'll run.
In. Topped on, a bit oily, but it's having a moment. Yeah.
Good to go?
Yeah. Whoa. First sign. First sign, Matthew, first sign. Just got a bit of engine flush going around it at the minute, and then we're going to do a little service on it, and hopefully it'll be good for someone. It's only for your lover.
Are you Boris Johnson love child?
Boris Johnson.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
You'll have to say it again. I didn't press the right time.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, just say it again.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
That was wicked. Leave a comment
Outside
down
your
below.
house.
He's outside your house, looking through your curtains.
That's in my arm. That's in my arm.